Hi everyone, so I'm going to be making a rotisserie chicken in the slow cooker today. I have the chicken right here, it's about 5 pounds. And then I have a pouch of this rotisserie style seasoning, a pouch of Sazon, and a tablespoon of Italian seasoning in this bowl right here. I'm going to pat this dry and then season it. I'll be right back. Alright, so I chopped up about 5 medium potatoes and 1 medium onion. I put it in there with like a tablespoon and a half of minced garlic. I got the chicken seasoned, and then I'm gonna throw that in the crock pot, put some butter on top, and I'll show you where I'm at. Okay, so I got the chicken in the crock pot. I decided to put the butter inside the cavity with also like a half a chopped up onion, or like a quarter. And then I added just a little bit of parsley on top. So I'm going to put the lid on. Cook it on low for about 6 to 7 hours. It's like 10:25 right now, so should be done around 5:30. See you then. Alright, so we're about 6.5 hours later. This is almost done. Just check the temperature, it's almost 160. So I'm starting some rice, and I'm going to boil it in some chicken stock. So I got a cup of rice, 2 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of chicken stock, and I'm gonna add like a heaping cup full of mixed vegetables and also a tablespoon of butter, and I'll be back with you when that is done. Okay, so I added the cup of vegetables and a tablespoon of butter. I also added a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I forgot. I'm gonna bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to simmer and cover it for about 20 minutes, and then it should be done. Okay, so here's the chicken in a pan with the potatoes. I broiled it for like 2 minutes. And then the rice is almost done. It's got 3 minutes left. I also have a gravy going from the drippings, which is a cup of the drippings, 2 cups of chicken stock, and then 3 tablespoons of flour. Bring it to a boil, and then simmer for like 10 minutes. And I'll show you what it all looks like when I plate it up. Okay, so this is the finished product. We have the chicken, and then the rice with veggies, and the potatoes with a little bit of gravy.
Oh, what happened to your ball?
That's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.
Let me do it.